Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss about 10 best niches for affiliate marketing 2022. Usually, when you get a stylish haircut that makes you even more beautiful, to try out a new workout plan that makes you even 50, you would recommend it a specialist or an app to anyone you know, mostly even without them asking. A go for quality pleasure rather in affiliate marketing, just the offline old school and more most likely commissions fee. Okay, table of contents. Why we see best niches for affiliate marketing 2022. We see the number one listed. Number one is technology, the top niche for affiliate marketing. Number two, wealth building, the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Number three, health and fitness. Number four, fashion and beauty. And number five, lifestyle. And number six, hobby. Number seven, fit care. And number eight, travel. Bonus affiliate marketing niches ideas. Number nine, security and survival. Number 10, non-profits and charity. I chose the top niches for affiliate marketing. We see a table, affiliate marketing table, global needs. This type of global niche type visit many visits and a low conversion rate. That's why many visitors. Number two, specific niches. Few visits, good conversion rate. They provide good conversion rate. And micro niche, extremely few visits, very high conversion rate. Okay, guys. These videos we discuss about these factors, and we hope this video is helpful for you for choose a niche for your affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.